Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Friday afternoon here in Blackpool. If you want a wild weekend, a wild and windy weekend, come to Blackpool. It looks absolutely awful as we head down towards the seafront. So yeah, we'll get a bit closer down. But I think this weekend's wild as anything, isn't it? I haven't seen anybody yet. Bit of a wild one here this afternoon. Yes, it's certainly wild here today in Blackpool. So yeah, just a few clips off the North Pier. My days. Right, I'll head down towards the Central Pier area and then I shall get a bit closer to the front again. Yeah, not many about dancing this afternoon, is there? I think this is in for the weekend, this weather as well, so yes, not very good, is it? Anyway, if you're getting a little bit bored with these high tide shots, we will be heading into the town shortly and have a wander through the town. As I say, it's only about 3 o'clock, but yeah, a bit of variation. Yeah, well, it's not a storm, it's just windy and high tide here in Blackpool. But yes, a few people getting some fresh air. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed them clips from the seafront, and we'll have a little wander through the town and see what's going on. Like I said, it's only Friday afternoon, it's 3 o'clock-ish I think. We'll just have a wander through the town. Let's have a little wander through Coral Island, see what the footfall is in here. Yeah, a little wander through Coral Island. I don't know how busy Blackpool's going to be the weekend. Obviously we will be out Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, depending on all the weather conditions. I don't know whether there'll be a lot of people about with the weather, but we'll be giving it a bash to see what's going on anyway. Totally different when you get round here, isn't it? Bit of police activity going over there, Primark. There's a lot of theft in there. There's a lot of theft everywhere. But I know the security people in there, and yeah, they've told me some stories. Yeah, obviously they're just dealing with an incident there. So you come round here, you wouldn't even think we've got a high tide and high winds, would you? Walking down here now. You just go round the corner around there and it's mayhem. Anyway, let's continue through this town and capture some moments on a Friday afternoon in Blackpool. There must be scaffolding season in Blackpool because Nando's is now scaffold up. And as you're aware, scaffolding here for the Rose and Crown, that is actually closed, it's not actually open. That's been turned into a sports bar, as I've previously mentioned before. So we'll progress that on its way. But Scruffy Murphy's is open as normal. I love the bright green they got there. Yeah, Nando's is actually shut as well. So just so you know, if you do come the weekend, no Nando's. But let's head up, continue up Church Street, shall we? Now, is Marks and Spencer's closing down or is it not? I've read more stories that it's closing than it's staying open, and yet some people say it's staying open, but I don't know. I think it's closing myself. Don't think anybody's shopped in there since 1956, have they? Well, if it stays like this for the weekend, it'll be alright to come out and do to filming. It's just dependent on the people that come, and the rain stays away. Bit of Abingdon Street there. Winter Gardens, locked and bolted again. I'm actually using 2 different cameras today, so I shall have fun putting this lot together, but I do enjoy doing it, to be honest. Just takes a bit of working out and what to chop about and what to keep on. But that's what I like about it. It's a hobby and it keeps me occupied. I shall put the camera in the Abingdon Street food market, food hall. Oh, it's not a street market anymore. It's a food hall. And just see what the footfall is in there, shall we? No, like I expected. But this place is doing better than I thought it would do, to be honest with you. When it first started, I thought it would collapse. But it does extremely well. You got to remember, it's Friday afternoon, the weather conditions. Does allow dogs in here, by the way, and children. Yeah, as soon as you come away from the front, it's all calm. Topping Street, Churchill's. The alleyway leads to Abingdon Street Market, and of course Champ Sports Bar, which is one of the best bars to watch sports in. This is the back of the new DWP building. Little new road built here. So have a wander up. Obviously, you know they've started this development for this university campus. So there's a lot of demolition streets going to be knocked down over the coming months, and I mean months and months, and then a new campus built here. There's the old hot pub there. It used to be a pub back, now it's a dentist. Yeah, it's all changing round here, isn't it? And then I think sadly this is going to be going in long term. It's a shame, the British Legion, and the rest of this block's going to go. Yeah, very slowly, these all being taken over and boarded up. And obviously we approach Cookson Street, and where the development is going to be is from in front of me, the left in front of me, all this whole block, yeah, and all this lot is going right up to there. You all know it anyway, but I've just shown you my up-to-date version. There's a man holding an umbrella there. Oh, the rain stopped now, back to blue skies. Anyway, while it was raining, I took cover, and a guy came up to me and says, I recognise your voice. He said, I know you. So we had a great conversation, and yeah, lovely fella. So big shout out to Terry from Leicester, and it was lovely talking to you, Terry. And yeah, Terry's moved up about 4 months ago from Leicester, and we're going to meet up and have a couple of beers soon. So have a good weekend, and thank you for following the channel, Terry. Oh God, where do I go now? Yeah, so that was just a little bit of that development you saw. Over the coming months we will be there. Just walk past it and show you how it's progressing. I'm not going to make a 30-minute video of houses being knocked down. Well, I need to go to Home Bargain, so I might as well walk down this way. Yeah, then all this section here. And then here's all your new section. Mr. Bazra's over there. And it's raining again. So if you got this far in the video, hopefully you've enjoyed it. If you don't mind hitting the like button, I appreciate that. And yes, we will be out, weather permitting, over the weekend, Saturday afternoon or maybe Saturday night. So it's just all about weather, and hopefully we can find some interesting content around Blackpool streets on Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening. But yeah, thank you again. Yeah, good to see a high tide with a bit of wind, and just a short walk through the town. But yeah, I shall be back over the weekend, and thank you to everybody that continues to watch my channel. I'll just let you see this tram go by for any of you tram lovers.